Question number 51 gives us an equation of a parabola. We need to graph it and state the focus and directrix. Notice we have x squared here, which means anything that is not an x needs to get moved over to the other side. So in this case, I'm going to keep the x squared and the 6x on the left side. I'm going to move the minus y over by adding y to both sides and subtracting 7 from both sides. Now we need to complete the square. We complete the square by dividing the b term by 2, gives us 3 squared is plus 9. I'm going to add 9 to both sides. The left side here should be a perfect square trinomial. We can write that as x plus 3 squared equals y plus 2. If we had a coefficient out here, like a 2, we would need to factor it out and write it as 2 times y plus 1. In this case, we don't have any coefficients out there, so there's nothing to factor out. So we should be able to state the vertex right away. The vertex is -3, -2. There's my vertex. Remember the p-value, whatever we have out front right here, is equal to 4p, where p is the distance between the vertex and the focus. So in this case, 4p is equal to 1, so p is equal to 1/4. Because the x's are squared, I know this parabola either opens up or it opens down. Because the 4p, the number out front here, is positive, I know it opens up. So my parabola should open up, and my p-value, the distance between the vertex and the focus, is 1/4. So my focus should be right about there. The x value at of that point is -3. The y value was -2, and I went up 1/4. So -1 3/4 or -7/4. To get the directrix, I would go down 1/4. So I started at a y value of -2 and went down 1/4. So -2 1/4, which is -9/4. Directrix, remember, is a line that is a horizontal line in this case, so y equals -9/4. The distance, if I go up 1/4 and down 1/4, that distance is 1/2, total 2/4, 1/2. So from the focus, if I go left or right 1/2 and left 1/2, those should be 2 additional points on my parabola. So the parabola should look something like that. We have stated the focus and the directrix.